Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2023 video tutorial. It's a follow-up to the last one, and I want to show you another solution for that cylinder. Even more conventional, maybe even more obvious. So let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. This will be a rectangle. Just draw it like this, and I need that plane inside my sketch, so project it. And I need a collinearity between this line and that projection. This should be a center line, yes. And that dimension here should be 136. Finish that sketch, and let's make a revolve with that sketch. And it should be, of course, a new body because there are already some solids inside that, and therefore the axis is now recognized and confirm. Great. Now I will need another sketch on the same plane. So go for another sketch on the XY plane, cut the graphics, and another rectangle. This should be a center line, and I need a dimension. This should be 150, and this line should be collinear with that plane here, so I have to project them both. So project geometry, this one and that one. Great. Now we can put these inside. So this should be to that one, and this one to the lower one, and let's go for a vertical constraint between this point and the sketch origin. Great. Finish that sketch, and let's make another revolve with that sketch here. Okay, it should be a joint one to that already visible solid, 360 degrees, and the axis is recognized and confirmed. Now I can go for a rectangular pattern. It's a feature pattern. I want to pattern that last revolution. The axis would be the y-axis. I need 31 instances, and spacing is 6.67. Let's turn it around and confirm. Great. Now I need another sketch on the XY plane. There you go. Cut the graphics, and another rectangle, which is sort of aligned to those two planes, and this should be a center line, and let's make it collinear. Let's try to put just that point here into that plane, so therefore I have to project those, the upper one, the lower one, then make it collinear up here and put that point here into this. Okay, the dimension should be 14, and I need a fillet here. So let's see if we can do that fillet. It should be 7 millimeter. Could work. Yeah, does work. And okay. Now let's move it to the left with a dimension. So the distance between this origin point and that one here should be not a diameter, not really, but a dimension, and that dimension should be 75. Finish that sketch and let's make another revolve. This time we can go for a join or union. So that's the profile. The axis is the center line, 360 degrees, and join it and confirm. Great. And now I can pattern that feature here, this one, with a circular pattern. The axis would be again the y-axis. For instances, 360 degrees, and confirm. Maybe hide those planes. Okay. Now again, the extrude with this sketch, make it symmetric, remove it. Okay. Maybe even hide that sketch. Where's the visibility? No visibility switch. So that was this sketch here. Okay. Now 2 holes. That's the small one, so let's go for that surface and that edge here. Confirm. Now go for that circular pattern. I want to pattern that last hole. Axis is again the y-axis. For instances, confirm. And then the last hole, which should go through. And the diameter should be 126. 126. Okay, select the surface and select this edge here as reference, this one. Great. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful as well. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.